In this video, I want to remind you that you can use Desmos to see the effects of the parameters in a sine function. So I'm going to show you, we're going to go on desmos.com and then I'm going to show you how to enter your parameters. And if you follow what the red arrow shows you, you can also find some graphs that are already made. But today we're going to look at the effect of sine. So usually we have a sine of b x minus h plus k, and if we click all, then we see all the parameters. Usually h and k are at 0, and so this is our sine function that you see here that starts at 0, goes up, down, and back. You can also change the horizontal axis. If you click on graph setting on the right, you can change the step. We can ask it to go by pi over 2, and the y we can go from -1 to 1. Actually, that one is okay. Okay, so if we look at that, now we can see our pi over 2 up and then going in the middle for pi and then all the way to the end of 2 pi, which is our regular sine. Now what happens if our a gets bigger? You see that we get a vertical stretch, so your amplitude is going to go up. And what happens if your a goes into negative? Then instead of starting and going up, your sine function will start by going down because it's a reflection on your x-axis. So I'm going to put it back to 1 to see what happened with your b. If b gets bigger, it's a horizontal compression because you know that the period is 2 pi over b. So if b gets bigger, then it's compressing. If your b is negative, what happens is instead of starting going up, it's going to start going down, because imagine you're at 0, you would start going to the left to trace your sine function. So that's a reflection on the y-axis. What happens if your h gets bigger? Then you can see it's a horizontal translation. So you see if my h, if I come back to 0, your starting point was at 0. If I move it forward, then it's going to go to the right. If I go to the negative, then it's going to the left. And your k, right now your k is the line in the middle. I'm just going to show you here, and I'm going to put it in dotted line, let's say in blue, so you can see that's the line in the middle. What I did to change this is I click on the little wrench here where it says edit, and you can change your things. So if I change my k value, hold on, if I change my k value, if k goes up, then it's a vertical translation. If my k goes down, it's a vertical translation down. So you can see the different effect of ABHK. And what I would like you to do is I would like you to take the time to graph or sketch first. Try to do it on paper, and you can check that you got the right answer using Desmos. So I suggest you pause the video, you try to sketch and find the effect of all of these. And when you're done, you can go to the next page to correct your work. Have fun!